Whispers from the Brighter World. Beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Monday, December 27th, 1999, 8 am. You are permanently deceived by your senses. You are the victims of your illusions. Do not be shocked by these remarks. It is reality. No, the sun is not as you imagine it to be, neither is the earth, which was never flat. The truth is veiled, hidden from the beings living on this planet. In the future, as men grow in wisdom, they will advance towards knowledge. All this should not prevent you from living this current life as it is. Your views are erroneous on many issues, but you live in this context, and that should not prevent you from forging ahead and being fulfilled spiritually. In all eras, there were sages who were not worried about the great mysteries of the universe. Some took refuge on high mountains to devote themselves to the divine Creator. Another lived in a barrel. Others were locked up in monasteries. They did not care much about knowing the why and how of things. The earth is taking its evolutionary course, and men have been adapting themselves from time immemorial. So, will it be until the end of the world? Strive towards your goal in peace and in surrender. There lies salvation. Babuji. Same day, 10 am. Your devotion comes down to the essence of things. You love without asking any questions. This is the path to wisdom. Some need to rely on book learning, which was your case in the past. Then, one day, all that can seem to be superfluous. Knowledge comes from inside. It permeates all the body cells, and there the spiritual being is fulfilled. It does not care anymore about scientific or philosophical aspects of the method. The intellect is at rest, and the heart delights in the divine presence that dwells in it. It tastes the pure nectar. It thanks humbly for this grace bestowed on it, going to the source inside itself. The principle is so simple. It is enough to surrender, to love truly, and more than that, to adore, since only God can be adored. You will then feel lighter, happy, in a kind of bliss. May you all get there, Babuji.